Hello everyone, this is Suma Shekhar here from Healthy Routine, and it is again Saturday evening, so it is live, Facebook live from Healthy Routine. So yeah, honestly speaking, we are talking about stay fit. Here I strongly believe uh, health is always wealth. you know uh, if health is lost, everything is lost. If wealth is lost, still you can gain that back by doing a lot of hard works, but health is much more important than everything. We eat, we need to earn. It means work out well and eat well. You should deserve that, or I would say you should earn every meal what we eat. So stay fit in terms of how do you say what is stay fit? Basically, it's not only physically. I say it is your mind, heart, well-being, and soul. So all these four combines together to stay fit. I don't say that eating only healthy food and not working out, it doesn't complement. All these four has to complement each other's. So when we do physical workouts, also eat well. Eating well is a complement to your workouts. Think well. What we eat is what we think. So eat well in a balanced diet. Uh, it is what I say honestly is the fitness has to be started from very very early ages, like from 10 years. So your particular muscles will start developing well, and if you start working out, that will help you out a lot to when you work out, you kind of figure it out yourself what is good for you, like cardio, or the equipments, or yoga, or boxing, kickboxing, whatever it is. So you need to figure it out yourself, and I strongly believe that you are the one who is responsible to give the shape to your body, like how best you work out, which part of the body you want it to be very nice and slim. So you need to figure it out. It is just that we have to take care of anything and everything. So I would say the workout you can start from at the age of 10, not lifting up the weights or anything, but you can do functional training. What is functional training? Using your own body weight and working out is called as functional training. So it is, the example would be running, and in Kannada we say utbais, like sit down and get up. So that's a new version, we say it's squats. So be normal, take your own body weight, bend, or the anybody can do that. I would say you mop the house with the cloth sitting on the floor, like how they used to do before. That is also a good workout. And doing the household work all by yourself is also a workout, but it doesn't work to your particular muscles. So from age, if you 10 years of age, if you start working out, it can go up to 60 years. You can do aram se functional training, lifting up your body weight and working out. See, in India we are so blessed, we don't have insurance. For you need to maintain, you need not have to we always it is not inculcated in us that we have to work out and stay fit. But in abroad countries, everything is you have to relate with the insurance, which are very 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 expensive. So here in India, you can go to any kind of medical shop, ask for any kind of medication, and you will be getting it. There you need to have a prescriptions. So what I suggest you is if we as a parent start working out at home, and the kids will definitely follow you. So eating good, working out, and talking good, seeing good, and bringing up the manners, everything. So it is all left to the parents. If at all these youngsters are seeing this, you can also create that kind of change in the house. Mom, Dad, go for a walk. I'm anyway working out. Please go for a walk. Please do some kind of protein kind of foods like paneer. I'm talking about vegetarians. You know, uh, chana or rajma or something. These things are high in protein. And so balanced diet, basically it matters a lot. Having appropriate uh, fiber, protein, carbs, fats, minerals, vitamins, and lots of water. Lots and lots of water. So we also can make water interesting in healthy routine. How? We can infuse waters with lot of spices, veggies, fruits, as well as leaves, herbs and shrubs also, and which also keep you more hydrated, and which has also got a lot of medicinal values. People who are really interested to take class on this, kindly message us on our social medias. So we'll look into it, and I'll create one kind of a class of infused waters, which are really benefited to your body, mind, and soul as well. So balance is the key in terms of food and diet here in Stay Fit. So how we will go? Like see, I have a attitude of not giving up. I have seen lot of hurdles in my life, and today I also had one. And if Anshu is saying this is for you, Anshu. Thank you so much. You are being a lifesaver to me all the time. I really appreciate your help in every day in day out of my life. Thank you so much, Anshu. So the thing is, I have not giving up attitude. So if you determine something, you need to do it. So that is my aim. I would say my own example in this Stay Fit basket. That is, like after my delivery, second pregnancy, I ended up with during my pregnancy I ended up with in the month of 5th or so, I have high gestational diabetic. I was high gestational diabetic, and I used to take 4 times insulin of 40 units. So I used to weigh the food, and I used to eat it only 60 grams of food. I was in US, and it was very difficult for me. I was on insulins all the time. I was hungry, and I was able to manage it. Okay, like I delivered the baby, and my endocrinologist, she tested me, and she told, you have to be on the medication. Then I told her, give me 2 months of time. I'll come back. I will figure it out. I will work out. I will do dieting. This is after my delivery, post delivery, I'm saying you. Last week we had, post pregnancy. So I didn't want it to, disturb the mind of just post pregnant ladies there. So I would like to take this as a very, inspirational story of mine. So then, I just came out. It was really scary to me. What if, I'm not on the medication? So what I started doing is, just after 25 days of my delivery, I was healed well. I had C-section. I was healed well with doctor's consultation. I went through walking. I just had a walking. I went for almost, started with half a kilometer, 1 kilometer. I started going for 3 kilometers with the baby in the pram. So after walking, for a week or so, why not I do lunges? I started doing lunges and small weights like 1 liter of bottle in a bottle, 1 liter of water. I used to lift that as my weights, and whatever it is, little bit heavier, not too much of heavier. So within 2 months, I just went back to my endocrinologist. She checked the sugar level and she was so happy. She told me, give me five, high five. So I was so glad that she told, you did it. You really did it. I asked before I came out, the first time when I went to see her, she told me, you can work out. What was the tip you can give me to get rid of medication? So then I came back and I worked out sincerely. It was me inside, I didn't want it to take any kind of medication. So I just came out. I just really wanted to come out of medication and I did it. I proudly can say that, if I can do that, everyone can do that. It is just the reasons for not doing the things. I feel that. So after, the post delivery and my sugar levels have come normal, I was so happy and I continued it. I really continued it, and I'm also continuing it in many of the ways, and I've started losing weight also now, which is really difficult. But if you make your mind and if you challenge yourself, if you are so sincere to yourself, you really can do it. I bet you will do it. Yeah. So then we are going to the next part of the the best pre-workout foods. Yeah, it's pre-workout or post-workout foods I would like to discuss. So pre-workout foods are, banana. They are good in magnesium, and it will give you potassium also. So it will not give you a kind of crampy feel on your body, majorly on the calf muscle area. So I would suggest bananas are the good, people who are into shuttle badmintons or TT. It's a very fast game. So before entering to the court, what they do is they have only small piece of banana. That will help them out. So that is what even my brother used to do. He was a state level shuttle badminton player. So this was the thing what the coaches used to say him. So he used to manage that. And oats, obviously, you can have it. If you are non-vegetarian, you can have grilled chicken. And sweet potatoes are really good carbs to boost up that energy. Whole grains, bread, dry fruits, and seeds, trial mix, you can make it. That also you can have 2-3 spoons before you go out for the workout or walking or anything. That will help you out a lot. So fruits and greens are also really good, and that will also help you out a lot before going to the workout. What kind of fruits would you like to take? I would suggest berries, grapes, oranges are full of vitamins and water. It will keep you hydrated. So olives you can use, avocados you can use, and channa, rajma, fish, lean meats, eggs you can use, and protein snack bars you can use. While I'm telling about the protein snack bars, we also do in Healthy Routine lot of protein based snack bars, which will be the mid morning and a mid evening snack. So which are done with lot of quinoa flours which are rich in protein. So this will help you out a lot. So you can also come for a query if you are really interested to healthy routine. And also the pre-workouts, in one line I would say is the combination of carbohydrates, proteins is recommended for the pre-workouts meals. Fat can also be beneficial, but it should be consumed at least 2 hours before you work out. Yeah, post workout nutrition is, you have to eat the post workout meal within 45 minutes of exercising. However, you can extend the period of little longer depending on the time of your pre workout meal. Choosing early, if you are choosing easily digested food, will promote faster nutrient absorption. That is, big words I'm saying Let me be very clear. You will be exhausted after your workouts. So you will be really hungry. You need to get hydrated. So here the infused waters will work out miracles to you post workouts. And also one more tip, if there is a sports person who's been looking out, like when I have been brought up with a family of sports. So what we used to do is when we go for gym or functional training, I used to soak water overnight of horse gram, right? Everyone knows horse gram, that is hurlikalu. So that you will wash 5-6 times, take the dirt out of that seeds, and then you will soak overnight. And with that soaked grains, you will add water in a bottle. Okay, if you feel that looks yuck when you want to take it out, because the color of the water will be little I would say it is yellowish, and if you don't want to carry that in a clear bottle, so you can carry that in a colored bottle. And while working out, when you are tired, you just have to gulp 1 or 2 sips of that water with that grains. So what will happen? So these horse gram are given to the horse when they are tired to make them run faster. So the same thing will happen to us. It will give that instant energy. It is filled with minerals, vitamins, and also you get that strength after drinking that water. I bet you can challenge me. You please do that and let me know. And also you can give it to the kids who are growing up. That is very essential water. It will help them out also. If not, you want to give them the big tumbler of water, you just can give them only 10 to 20 ml of water that is filled, packed with minerals and vitamins. You can try that out. And post workout foods, what I would suggest is sweet potatoes, chocolate milk, who doesn't like it, quinoa, fruits, oatmeal, potatoes, pasta, plant-based or animal-based protein, yogurt, cheese, protein bar, and in fats you can take a lot of nut butters, trail mix, avocados also. That will help you a lot to recover. See, post workout you have to think for the foods which has to recover your body. You need to gain back that that kind of same energy from, if you work out in the morning, you should be having the same energy till night. So kindly be hydrated and take a lot of green leafy vegetables. That will help you out a lot. And also I would, there is a studies going on. It has been there, a lot of studies. If people start working out in the evening, they doesn't get good sleep. Some of them doesn't get good sleep. Example is me myself. If I work out too much with functional training, I'll be exhausted. If I'm overstrained also, I don't get good sleep. So what I would suggest is kindly shift your workout 4 hours prior to your sleep. That way your body will come down, settle down, your aches and pains will settle down, the body starts recovering, and give a gap once you are, if the ladies who are working out of after 40s, give a gap for alternative days, let the body heal, and even men, after 40, 50, they are working out with the functional training. I would ask them to go with different variations of workout. Today you do the cardio, and tomorrow you will go slow, like for a walking or something. But for kids, daily workout is always best and better for them to grow taller and healthier, and whatever it may be. So it will help them out. To heal their body, you try giving them a portion of nuts, wherein you will add a lot of anjur, kharjur, and walnuts, and almonds. These 4 are mandatory. So everyone can take it, but for kids to recovery, body to recover, you can give that. So by telling all these things, I would like to complete the Stay Fit, session here. I have got one query. That is, in this lockdown, we feel even single bite of food is turning into fat. How do we maintain fitness in this situation? That's an awesome question, Vignesh. And for you especially, I would like to mention it. So what I say, definitely we will be sitting in front of computers. There are a lot of people who work software, who are software engineers, or also, people like me, we sit in front of computers. What I suggest is, what I make my daughters to do is, if they are bugged up reading and doing things continuously, I ask them to do jumping jacks. Just jump, sit down, get up, sit down, get up. The blood flow will be very, very fast. So your what I would say is, the oxygen supply in your body will be faster. So deep into the lungs also you'll be supplying the oxygen. Then you think better. So working out is not a strain. If you work out, you think better, you are very productive, you execute yourself in a very, very good way. So I suggest everyone to stay fit at this point of pandemic situation. So if your immunity is really, really high, nothing can hit us. So kindly work out, wear the mask, go out for walking or running, whatever you want to. Yeah, thank you so much, and I appreciate the support from everyone what I'm getting day by day. Thank you so much.